Good morning, students. Myself Shubhajit Dev. I am the vocational trainer of electronics at Badavisha High School, Alipurduar, and my training provider is Orion Edutech Private Limited. So, with this short intro, let's roll the intro. Students, today in this video, we will learn how to fix the problem if your computer is unable to recognize your system drive or hard drive. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Students, if your system is not detecting your hard drive, this can be due to a variety of issues involving connectivity. Unfortunately, it can be virtually impossible to fix a hard drive yourself if it has an internal problem. However, if your computer does not recognize your hard drive, then you can try a few troubleshooting techniques to test and repair the connections of your hard drive to your computer. In this regard, I also want to mention that if you have recently installed a new hard drive, then don't first assume that the system does not detect it because it is a new hard drive. Now, students, in this video, we will step by step discuss and learn all the points regarding this topic. So, students, let's discuss our first point, which is make sure your hard drive is on in the system setup. The system setup of your computer or BIOS or CMOS may not have your hard drive switched on. There is a basic on-off settings in the setup. If the computer does not detect the hard drive, it might be a simple fix of turning it on. Now our second point is check for damaged or unplugged data cable. It's possible that the connection on your motherboard or hard drive is faulty. Then your system will not detect the hard drive. If the data cable is damaged or connection is incorrect. To test the connection of your hard drive or data cable, you can replace the old data cable with a new one and then cross check it once again. Students, our third point is test if the drive is spinning up. If you believe the cause is that your hard drive may not be spinning up, then you can try these techniques to test its operation. Number one, you can check to see if your drive is not spinning up by powering off the computer and then opening up the computer case or cabinet to remove the data cables from the drive. Then turn on the system again and wait for the drive to begin spinning. You should hear or feel a slight vibration coming from the computer, meaning the drive is spinning. Number 2. If the drive is still not operating, make sure there is sufficient power supply to your computer to allow for the hard drive to operate. That means there may be some power supply issue in your computer. Now our next point is physical damage and water damage. A hard drive cannot spinning for many different reasons, but one of the most common reason is physical damage. If you feel that your hard drive was dropped recently or if it is received water damage, then there is a good chance that can be the source of the main problem. Students, now our final point is computer cannot read data. Another cause for the computer not being able to detect your hard drive is a result of the data being corrupted, whether it was by a nasty virus or your data was overwritten. The simple solution to fix this issue is to delete all the data on the hard drive by simply formatting the hard drive once again. Thanks for watching my video.